guys, welcome back to Smizer, and in this video we'll be looking at 5 must use tools for a web developer. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. Number 5, icons. So if you want to use icons in your website, I will recommend you two websites. Okay, first one is UXWing and the second one is Font Awesome. So let us first get to know about Font Awesome. For using icons in the Font Awesome, first you have to create your account, then you have to create your kit, and you have to copy the kit code which you get in Font Awesome and paste it in your head tag of your HTML file, and then search your icon and then copy the icon code and then paste it where you have to use it. This process is a little bit tedious, I can say, and also a down point is that the icons disappear when there is no internet connection, so I don't like that. But the positive thing is that you can change the color of your icon using CSS only, so you don't have to download different color icons. You can just manually set the color using just CSS. So that's what I found interesting about Font Awesome. And UXWing, if you look at UXWing, you can directly search for any icon, say WhatsApp. I can download this WhatsApp icon directly in PNG format also and in SVG format also. So it is very easy process and it is a bit less tedious. So these are the two websites which I recommend you if you want to use icons in your website. Number 4, images. Now using high quality images in your website is very important as it increases the beauty of your website. So I'll recommend 3 websites. First one is pexels.com. Next one is Pixabay, and the third one is Unsplash. So in all of these websites, you will get amazing HD quality and even 4K quality images, which looks pretty cool. Look at this quality of images. It is of very high level. I think Pixabay has a bit less collection of images, and also many of them are paid ones, but that's not totally the case from pexels.com. Most of them are free and there are lots of images. Same is the case with Unsplash also. You can get HD quality images. So these were the 3 websites which I recommend you for getting images from the internet. Number 3, remove.bg. Now remove.bg is a very useful tool. What it does is it removes the background of your image. So I can just drag this image and drop it in remove.bg, and in just a few seconds my background will be removed. See, first it was a JPG file. Look, there was a yellowish background, but now there isn't any background. It is completely PNG, so I can give any custom background. Also, sometimes there are some errors in automatic removal of background, so you can erase it manually also you can restore if you want. See, you can erase also and restore manually. So I found that very interesting. Also, you can change the background of your image, like if you just want PNG, or you can apply any image from this website only. See, there are many different options. So this was the third tool which I think is very important, and it was remove.bg. I'll put the links in the description so you don't need to worry. Number 2 is unscreen. Now unscreen is very similar to remove.bg, but what it does, it removes background from video, not an image. So this is pretty nice. Suppose if I search for a GIF like this one, now it will automatically remove the background. See, it has removed the background of this video, and I can give any custom background. It is a bit more useful when you are recording YouTube videos. Also, you can give custom background in this website only. As I was saying, this is a bit more useful when you are recording videos. Suppose if your background is not so good, you can just remove background of your video from this website and use it. So I think that is pretty cool. But one thing you have to keep in mind is that you get this watermark, so that is a pretty sad thing. But anyways, this is a very good website. And now we are going to the number 1. But before moving on to number 1, make sure you dislike this video and unsubscribe from Smizer if you haven't already. So now we are moving to number 1, and this website can make your web page look many times more beautiful. And the website you might be knowing, but the website is Google Fonts. And from this you can add different fonts to your website. And now this must seem small, that it is just font, but trust me guys, this can completely change how your website look. Without using Google Fonts, your website won't look that good, at least from my experience. So guys, these were top 5 websites which you should use if you are a web developer. I hope you liked it. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.